当一个外国人在中国旅游时 ，Hi, welcome to China.
你好啊，谢谢你。
哇，你的中文也太好了吧！
哪里哪里。
Hi everyone, welcome to my channel Little Jun's Chinese. I'm Junjun. I apologize for my exaggerated performance, but I suppose you might have some similar experiences if you have ever come to China, or maybe 你是哪国人啊？你多大了？拍张照啊，加个微信呗。Probably some Chinese people's hospitality make you feel a bit scared or offended, especially when you are traveling in some places where there are not many other foreigners, unlike the first-tier cities such as Beijing or Shanghai. But don't worry, we don't mean to be rude at all. It's actually our way to show our kindness or warm welcome to foreign people. And people may ask you some questions just out of curiosity. Chinese people enjoy praising people we don't know much about, especially people from far away. So, how to reply to those compliments?
哪里哪里。
Honestly, although 哪里哪里 is completely right, but we seldom say it in our daily life. So today, I'm gonna tell you some new useful and cool phrases to reply to Chinese people's compliments and to impress them. Number 1. 没有没有 It's the most common and the easiest way to reply other people's compliments, but pay attention to the neutral tone of 有 and the emotion. 你知道吗？你的视频真有意思，你解释得很清楚。没有。Number 2. 我都脸红了 I blushed. 都 here is an adverb, means already. 脸红 blush. 你呀，又聪明又可爱，又努力又漂亮又大方。我都脸红了。Number 3. 不敢当 It means I don't really deserve this or it's too much of an honor. 不敢 means not dare to do something. 当 to accept. 考试成绩出来了。哇，学霸，你比爱因斯坦都聪明啊！不敢当，我只是个学渣。学渣 it means hopeless student, studies slacker. 学霸 it means top student, model student. But pay attention, you can only describe yourself as a 学渣 to show your modesty. You better not say this to others, even if you are a 学霸。Number 4. 彼此彼此 It means same to you. We are pretty much the same. We usually use 彼 and 此 in formal writing. Here, 彼 means that. 此 means this. 彼此 means both parties, each other. 好久不见啊，你最近又变漂亮了。彼此彼此。哎，你的宠物太可爱了。彼此彼此。但是你最近胖了不少啊。彼此彼此。Number 5. 承蒙抬爱 It's a bit difficult and a bit formal. 承蒙 it means to be granted a favor and to accept gratefully. 抬爱 is actually the combination of the word 抬举 and 关 So 抬举 means to praise or to promote somebody, to show favor. 抬 and 举 both means to lift up, to raise. 抬举 is like someone lift you up very high, make you feel like you are in heaven. So when I decided to make YouTube videos, I received a lot of support from my friends from different countries. So I want to tell all of you, 承蒙大家抬爱，我一定会继续努力的。I'm grateful for all of you and I must keep working hard. That's all for today's video. I hope you enjoyed it. I'd appreciate it if you could give me a thumbs up, hit the like button, and subscribe to my channel. Feel free to write any comments below. Bye for now.